our first year in GLC went out in the pandemic. Like our entire first year was lasted what 6 months, but it was fun. Like
Alright.
for the time that people are coming to college.
Okay.
It was okay because our first year went in the lockdown, so we didn't do anything. But we were so excited to come to Mumbai and do lots of stuff which we did our second year. See, it was very boring.
Okay.
I make jokes when I'm uncomfortable.
First year was Bakchodi Pro Max. Half a year was online classes, half a year was offline classes. Year started in fucking February instead of the August.
Get the practical experience more before the technical one. Of course, that's equally important, but I think what you learn in internships or just outside code visits would teach you more than classroom knowledge.
My suggestion would be score while you still can. पढ़ लो बेटा मौका है बाद में तो वैसे भी नंबर नहीं आएंगे.
Your job is to study hard, get good grades, get a scholarship, go to college, and move away.
Don't be a bitch to seniors, and then I'll just suggest make lots of connections because connections is everything. Just make connections. Don't do anything. Just go to random people, talk to them, and just ask for the internships and so many opportunities.
Explore. Don't stop. That's. I think it provides a lot of diversity, like I said first. So participate in competition, talk to more people, attend lectures if they are good. If they are not free, feel free to just find them and sit outside, discuss, talk to people, talk to more people.
Connect with friends. First of all, welcome to GLC, all the newcomers, the first years. I know very exciting, very nice. College life will be starting over. The very first suggestion I would give you is number one factor, make as many friends as you can. Mingle with people, talk to them, have fun with your friends. Secondly, I would suggest you that one of the ways to contact your seniors, which will help you throughout the 5 years of your life in GLC, also in your career life.
Quit before it's too late.
My suggestion would be that you should have an all-round CV and make the best out of this experience, and also focus on your academics because that is very important.
Alright.
So make the best use of the city by interning as much as you can and for as long as you can in varied areas.
Alright.
यार कमिटी का काम करो, इंटर्नशिप के पीछे मत भागो यार. ऑनेस्टली बोलता हूँ, तुम लोग को एंजॉय हर टाइम व्हाइल यू कैन. अदर सेकंड थर्ड ईयर ऑनवर्ड सिर्फ ऑफिस का काम ही करते रहोगे.
This part of my life is called internship.
What I would suggest is that don't stress about committees. Make as many friends as you can, and just stick to those friends and not diversify into groups.
Alright.
Yeah.
I would suggest enjoy. Don't run behind internships. Enjoy the fucking college life.
Maybe it is time to go the hangout route, John.
I would say explore committees and try to look out for which senior is someone that you can relate to, because I think having a good senior support is very crucial throughout your entire journey. And take good care of your health and build a supportive ecosystem around you.
Please participate in the all the committees. Don't leave out any committee. Give interviews to all the committees.
It's a world in itself and surreal.
Alright.
Struggle is real.
The struggle is real, my friend.
Roller coaster, buffet, mixed bag.
Independence.
Practical learning.
Madness in extreme.
GLC is a very diverse institution with a lot of people, so that one word is not sufficient. But I think GLC is a feeling. If you expect things and you get things out of it, you find GLC good.
The more you get involved, the more you will have fun.
One word for GLC.
One word I think is less to describe GLC.
Oh.
Do more Bakchodi in college. Go out, hang out with friends. Explore new places with friends in my first year.
But something that I would definitely do is take my academics seriously, because first 2 years ऐसे मस्ती में चले गए and the grades went declining downhill. And also that I would stick to a set of people, that I like to be friends with, and not be in multiple groups.
Visit college more often, I'd say.
Okay.
As odd as it might sound, that's the.
Okay.
Mike Ross went to Harvard.
The admission date.
If you could time travel and do one thing again in your first year, what it would be?
Party.
You think I didn't remember your life is this and I like this speech?
I will number one factor come to college a little more often to meet people because I think I kind of miss having a huge group.
If you could time travel and do one thing in your first year, what it would be?
I'll start a YouTube channel like you.
And if I am in my last year and some junior asked me to time travel, I probably should not regret it. So until then,